Hey, I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery, and today we're going to make a snowman. The great thing about this is you can keep it up for Christmas all the way through winter. So I have 3 different size wreaths. I have a 12-inch, a 20-inch, and a 24-inch. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to attach the smaller one to the middle section. So then we have his head and his stomach. And I'm just going to use regular floral wire. I'm going to wrap it around the bottom of the wreath. And I'm going to go ahead and do this a couple of times just for extra support. Then I'm going to come on to his middle section, and you see I'm going to overlap them a little bit so that it doesn't start to fall backwards. So I've overlapped, and I'm going to then take my floral wire and I'm going to wrap this around the second wreath. I'm pulling as tight as I can. Then, for extra support, you can still see it's a little wobbly. I'm going to use the greenery from the top wreath, and I'm going to wrap it around the second metal part on the back of our snowman. So I'm just taking some of this greenery, wrapping it around. That way it will help keep it stable. Then I'm going to do the exact same thing to our bottom section. I'm going to go back and fluff so we can't see what we did there. And I'm going to attach the bottom part to our middle one. Here though, instead of just one piece of wire, I'm actually going to use 2. And where you have the top and bottom part of your wreath, I'm just going to run the wire through the top part of my wreath. Either way though, if you want to do it around the whole thing, that's okay too. So I'm twisting that on there. I'm going to use one more. Come over a little bit. Twisting it on tightly. And then I'm going to overlap again like we did with his head. You notice I'm taking the middle one and overlapping that to the bottom one. I'm going to take my wire, pull tightly. And then like we did before, I want to take some of the greenery and help attach it with that. Again, it keeps it from being floppy. Okay, so maybe you're a minimalist and you want to be finished at this point. Absolutely fine. Maybe you think your snowman's going to get kind of cold outside, so we're going to add a scarf to him. I keep talking about buffalo check, but it is the hot thing this year. So we're going to use this that is 9 inches wide, okay, and it's got 10 yards on it. And I definitely want his scarf to hang down. So I'm going to cut here. And I'm going to go ahead and attach that part right up to his neck. I'm going to kind of bunch this, attach again a little bit, so that we have a big fluffy scarf. And then I'm going to take a piece and I'm going to wrap it around his neck. And because it's wider, I'm going to fold it in half. And then I'm just going to do a little knot. This will come down to meet. So now my snowman has this cute little scarf on. So you could be done at this point, or you could come on and add a snowman hat. So there's lots of ways to spruce up your snowman. At Carolina Pottery, we decided to use this cute snowman hat. So thanks for joining us today. I'm Sarah Gaither with Carolina Pottery.